BB Naija lockdown. Kiddwaya told Watoni that he would want to paint her naked. See her response. One housemate of the reality show Big Brother Naija, Kiddwaya, told a female housemate Watoni earlier today that he would love to paint a picture of her naked. The BB Naija lockdown season keeps getting excited and interesting as each day passes by. It appears something new always happens in the house and amongst the housemates. Today, BB Naija male housemate Kiddwaya told Watoni he would like to paint her naked after the show is over. Kiddwaya further told Watoni he admires her and also her body and her curves. In her response, she said, In response to his request, Watoni replied to him saying he would have to pay her so he can draw her naked after the reality show. Wow, that's a yes already. Okay, what do you think, guys? What do you think about this request by Kiddwaya asking Watoni that he would love to paint her naked? Okay, do you think something else could come up from this, at least while they are still in the house? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.